G'day there, it's Dan here from League of Brewers, and I have just unboxed the new G30 version 3 brewing system by Grainfather. So I've just pulled it out of the box, and there's a few subtle differences between the version 3, which is this one, and the version 2 beforehand. So let's have a look here. Instantly I can see that the malt pipe is completely different. I'll just take the counterflow chiller out. The malt pipe has perforations down the side there, which is very similar to the G40 and G70 design, which makes it a lot easier to put it all together. There's no center overflow pipe. So basically you're just going to be mashing in directly with this sealless plate here. Plate goes in the bottom, and that's it. It's going to be a lot easier to mash in. You basically be able to stir directly through the whole mash there without having to go around in circles as you did with the version 2 with the center overflow pipe. So yeah, that's nice. I'll just show you the rest of the pipe. You can see here there's perforations all the way around the bottom, and it's looking like a very, very nice malt pipe. So yeah, that's the new version 3 by Grainfather, the 30 litre. And yeah, I'm looking forward to brewing with this guy. So yeah, check it out. Thanks, guys.